Breakfast always matters, and we need to make it as healthy as you can or well nutritious. So I'm going to show you a different way of making pancakes. For this recipe I'm using 250 milliliters of milk, salt and pepper always to your taste, about 20 grams cheese, any cheese you have, 2 eggs, some spinach, enough flour to make the batter, red capsicums, tomato and some sausages with some green chilies. You can always add any vegetable you have in your fridge. So let's start doing it. First, into a bowl add the salt and pepper, cheese, break the eggs into it, and then pour the milk. Whisk. Now cut the spinach. Add in. Now the capsicum, cut as fine as you can. Add into the bowl tomato, tomato gives extra liquid too. Now the sausages, add that into chilies. This part is optional. If you want it to rise, you can add about a quarter teaspoon of baking powder with whatever you get onto a tip of a knife. Baking soda, add in. Don't add too much of baking soda, it gives a bad taste. Now using a fork, mix flour bit by bit. When you add flour, make sure that you don't add it at once, because we just need a batter to make pancakes, not a thick batter. So mix, add a bit more, mix. This is a simple way of giving kids a nutritious meal. You can put everything together and make beautiful pancakes out from this recipe. So mix it well. I'm adding all the flour. So we have this thick pancake batter, but remember that spinach and tomatoes give extra liquid in this. Put a pan on the stove to be hot. Drizzle some oil all over. If you have egg rings, you can use the egg rings. If not, you can just pour it into the pan. Put the egg rings. Make sure to grease it really well. If you want bigger pancakes, you can always use a mold like this too. So pour the batter in. It depends how thick you want your pancakes to be. I like it a bit thinner. Just to give an idea, I am using these tart cases too. So if it is for Valentine's Day or anything, you can use the heart shapes in here too. Slowly release the molds. To keep the shape, you can put it upside down with the mold. So press. Once cooked on both sides, they are ready to serve it like this or with a nice chutney. And if I open one, lots of veggies in the middle, so soft and moist. This is a nice meal that you can make within 5 minutes. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.